I'm Dan Fitzpatrick at realmoney.com. Every night we watch the same shows, Fast Money and Mad Money, and we want to use those ideas to grow our money. Well, good trading takes more than just writing down the tickers you see on TV every night and punching the buy button the next morning. I can help you know when to buy these 3 stocks I saw on TV. Today let's look at EMC, American Axle and Manufacturing, and SLUJ. Now on Friday, Zach Carabell thinks that you need to be buying EMC in light of all the things that IBM mentioned about the cloud. In other words, they're bullish on the cloud. EMC, sweet spot for data storage. So look here. Weekly chart, you can see the trend this thing's had. This is what I'm really looking at here, this higher low back here in December. Now we'll zoom in, look at the daily chart, and you get a better sense of what's happening here. So we had this consolidation, this congestion back in August and September, a blowout in October. Now we're getting this little pullback. Okay, so far, a series of lower highs and lower lows. Not a good thing. We're talking this short-term deal here, right there. But let me get rid of this and instead show you this, a little volatility squeeze. Look how tight these Bollinger Bands are right here. Okay, volatility when it's low ultimately leads to high volatility here in an upward direction. So I think you can buy EMC. I think Zach's right. I think you can still buy it right here, right now. It's definitely got some upside. Now, what about American Axle and Manufacturing? Kramer thinks this is a good speculative stock. He's not really pounding the table that, oh, you got to buy this, but as a speculative stock, he thinks this is a good candidate for some dough. You look here, downtrend, certainly well established, but it was back here. So that was then. Then we have this sideways consolidation that actually has gone on for quite a few months, right? And now we have a breakout. Well, I'm going to zoom in here. We'll take a better look. This right here is a tight little consolidation pattern. So forget about the big run up that we had from here. Instead, just focus on the support right there. We'll call it about 1080, something like that. Stock's now at 1131. There's the top of the box. I think you can buy this stock right now as long as you keep a stop right underneath there. If you do get stopped out, well, guess what? You can always buy it back in the mid-9s. And last is SLUJ. Kramer talked to Andrew Gould, CEO of SLUJ, on Mad Money on Friday. Look, I'm looking at this stock. This is a pretty nice looking chart, actually. I know you're thinking, what are you talking about, Dan? Lower highs, lower lows. What's to like about this stock? Well, I'll tell you what's to like about this stock. This is a high base. This stock has been drifting sideways for the last couple months above this big low here. Yes, we've got resistance right up here. What am I expecting? I'm expecting selling right here at the 200-day moving average. Why? Well, because that's what stocks do when they're under pressure, right at the same level as the 200-day moving average is hitting. So what are you going to do? Set the trap here for SLUJ. Remember what I was talking about EMC on the volatility squeeze? Here's a volatility squeeze here as well. So this stock broke out. Wait for phase 2 of the squeeze. Phase 1 was the breakout. Phase 2 is a pullback to test that breakout. And phase 3, God willing and the creek don't rise, is a move here. So wait for phase 2, which is a pullback to around, we'll call it 71.50. That's when you buy SLUJ. Okay, that's it for today. Look, you need to get over to realmoney.com and subscribe. It's actually Real Money Pro. That's where I publish articles 4 days a week. So get over there and check those things out. Guys, subscription rates are super cheap. Also, if you want some free stuff, just go over to stockmarketmentor.com. That's my website. You can sign up to be on my email list. I send you 1 free trading video a day. I don't spam you. I'm too busy for that. You need to get over there and do that now. I'll see you back here.